Hi everyone. Welcome back to Online Tools Master, where we explore the best online tools to make your digital life easier. Today we're diving into a fantastic tool that transforms your JPEG images into stunning grayscale masterpieces. Let's get started with the JPG to Grayscale Converter. This tool is incredibly straightforward. Simply paste your JPEG file into the input area, and it will automatically create a grayscale version for you in the output section. But that's not all. You have several methods at your disposal to achieve the perfect grayscale effect. First up, we have the BT-709 method. This is the go-to grayscale algorithm for HDTVs. It prioritizes the green channel, as our eyes are most sensitive to green. Here's a JPEG of hills converted using this method. As you can see, the result maintains great detail and contrast. Next, let's look at the custom grayscale method. This allows you to specify your own weights for red, green, and blue channels. Here, we used equal weights to convert an image of snowy mountains. This method provides a lot of flexibility and lets you experiment with different grayscale conversions. It's a great way to see how manipulating individual color channels can dramatically alter the image. The JPG to Grayscale Converter offers a range of methods to turn your color photos into striking grayscale images. Be sure to experiment with different settings to find the perfect look for your photos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out our previous videos on the JPEG Quality Changer and PNG Color Replacer tools. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching Online Tools Master. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you next time.